Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Hello Kitty box, but this is the fox one. We don't really know his name, we kind of forgot. And right after this video, I'm going to play with Zephyr, so he's not in this video. So yeah. And he's just going to be talking about his Paw Patrol stuff. So he's going to be over there talking about it. Yeah. So you might hear some like Paw Patrol stuff. So let's get right into opening this box. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take this thing off. And you guys, we already opened this earlier, but we're going to give you a sneak little peeky. Yeah. Hurry, turn around. Wait. Turn around, Jake. Can you see what's in the box? So, you guys saw a little bit of what's in here. So now me and Darby are going to turn this around. First, this is the fox thing that we got.
Yes. It's a fox sticker.
I don't really like it, but
Piper.
No. Okay, so we had this little fox sticker.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, next up, we're gonna do. Guys, what should we do? We should do this tote bag. Okay, so next we have this tote bag that has the fox on it. So let's open it. Oh, you can see. So cute. But I would still like the egg one better. There's like a Moj egg one.
Yeah. Piper asked for the fox one too.
But then I said, oh, I want the egg one.
Yeah, but then Daddy wanted the fox one and
Okay, so we got the fox one.
yes.
And you can see it has stripes and yeah. So we're just gonna put this to the side. Okay. So next thing Darby is gonna grab something. Close your eyes.
Okay.
You reach your hand over. I'm gonna towards you.
Okay.
So Darby got
this little plush.
It's a wallet.
Oh.
I didn't know. I thought it was like a little plushie. Oh, it is a plushie. Here, guys. Okay, so first there's a wrapper. If you guys like wrapper, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we have this poison. Do not eat.
Yeah, of course, do not eat.
Okay, so there's tags. Dad, can you get me scissors? Okay, Zephyr's kind of doing something. Okay, we're gonna put the box over here. Okay, so we got scissors.
This way.
And we're gonna cut this, and oh my, it's really soft too. So
can I hold this off? I want to put it.
Okay, Darby's. So
Can I open it?
Darby, I want to open it.
But I want to.
Is there anything inside?
I'm over here.
Okay, so we're gonna. You can see there's a little opening.
It's see if there's anything inside. Can I try?
Oh, I got it. Okay, there's another poison thing.
Yeah, it says do not eat.
And then it's pink and yeah.
Okay,
It's just
and
pink
I'm
in
going to put it in a pile.
Okay, so now it's my turn.
Yeah, close your eyes, and I'll put you.
Seriously? Guys, there's something really funny in here. As you can see, it's toilet paper. So they have box toilet paper. I wonder if there's images on the toilet paper. Let's check.
Yeah, that's why I'm really interested.
We're not going to open the face one because I want to see that one. But we're going to open the bottom part of the thing. Oh,
I'm getting to open it. Oh my god.
There's images on the toilet paper.
Oh my god. There's images on the toilet paper.
Oh my gosh.
Here's our new toilet paper.
Can we keep this toilet paper and not use it?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Wipe our faces.
We're gonna decorate with it.
Yeah, we're going to decorate our butts. Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, here's your pencil. Here's your pencil.
My pencil?
Yeah.
Thank you. I didn't really need a pencil, but okay.
We got a new toilet paper.
So we got this toilet paper that has stuff on it. Here, let me just show you. So yeah, there's interesting. I'm gonna keep that because that's interesting. Okay, so
Now, Piper.
let's talk about Zephyr. Oh, Zephyr, that's so cool and great. Show them your car.
Okay, Piper.
Oh, cool.
Piper, no.
Okay.
Piper. No. It's a train, Piper. It's a train.
Okay. Darby's grabbing.
Okay. It's not. I always want. I get to open it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna grab these.
Alright. Can I open them also? Oh, show them.
So here's our socks.
But we'll show them after we cut them. We're gonna split them anyways.
But I get this. I want the bottom half. You get the top half.
No, Darby. We're both gonna say which ones we like.
Okay.
We're both gonna have to get one we don't like, okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I do not want to cut the sock.
Yo, the problem is, and when we cut the socks, we didn't mean actually cut the socks.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
so
car.
Okay,
I
so
got a car.
we
I got a car.
look at this car.
Cute.
Guys, comment down below that this car is so cool. Okay, so
Okay.
first we haven't.
Paper wants those ones.
I never said I did. Right? I do like these ones. I like these ones. Do you like them? Can I have these?
Yeah, you can have those. But I'm getting these. I like these.
There's white ones. There's other ones. There's a thing still on here. Socks. You never knew. They were so complicated.
You never knew socks were so soggy.
Okay, we're gonna give them to you after the. No. Zephyr, these are too big for your feet, okay? So,
I
do
not want that.
I mean,
No, I can go over
So,
the knee. Steph can have these ones. I can go over my knee. Over my knee.
okay, later. Okay. So, guys, let me show you all the sock designs. I'm gonna put my hand in them so you can. So here's the first one. These ones are mine. I really like them. Okay. So then we have these ones that are very scary. Yeah. As you can see, me and Darby do not want these.
Yeah.
Because kind of
Very
crazy.
not wanting.
Who wants these ones?
Me! I like those ones. I like
Okay, I don't like them. Ooh, I like this one.
Can I see it? Oh, I like this one.
Except for those ones are mine. Okay, Darby, you don't really seem to care about them, so I'm going to put them in my pile. And then these ones.
I want those. I want those. So purple. We each got two. Can I want these.
Nope, these are for Zephyr.
No.
Here you go, Zeph.
These are my absolute
So Zephyr got these ones.
favorite.
And show them your socks, guys. Darby. So, did we show you this one already? Did we show
So
you
this one
this
is
one?
this one is my fave. Absolute fave.
Okay, so
And this is my. So I'm going to actually put these on right now. We have one more thing left.
and I'm grabbing it.
Well, but you said to close your eyes.
I do not.
No, I want. No, you get to close your eyes.
Okay,
and
fine.
Don't.
Darby, you're gonna put those on after the video. Okay, so Darby, use my hand.
Okay, close your eyes. Yay! We got a water bottle.
We got a water bottle and some more plastic for all the people who like plastic. Okay, so this thing has like music people and stuff on it.
Give me my scary one. My scary one.
Can you see? Here, here, let me use this
Is there
Seems
something
like
on
white.
it, Piper?
to show you.
There's something on it. There's something on it.
So yeah, use this when I'm at school. I'm gonna be like, gulp, 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 gulp. Delicious. Gulp.
There's something
So
on
guys,
it.
that's it for today's video. Yo. And please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and
If you
click that
have-
notification bell whenever we post another video. Say
And
bye.
subscribe if you haven't already.